Aloe vera can be used to heal acne and prevent scars on your beautiful face. The benefits are derived from the translucent gel in the aloe vera leaf. We will closely look into why aloe vera is good for acne scars and how to use it for preventing them. Aloe vera helps with acne scars in 2 different ways. Its antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties along with collagen synthesis capabilities makes aloe vera an excellent remedy for acne scars. Aloe vera is 99% water and 1% of water elements such as amino acids, glucomannan, lipids, sterols and vitamins. Very few natural products have all these acne healing capabilities, so take aloe vera seriously if you want to get rid of your acne fast and prevent acne scars. Aloe vera derives its high antiseptic capabilities from compounds such as luteol, salicylic acid, urea nitrogen, cinnamic acid, phenols and sulfur. The anti-inflammatory properties come from a compound called C-glucosylchromone. Aloe vera also possesses antifungal, antibacterial and antiviral properties ensuring that the acne doesn't get infected to cause scars. In addition to these capabilities, glucomannan, a mannose-rich polysaccharide, and gibberellin, a growth hormone, in aloe vera increases collagen synthesis when applied topically or consumed internally. This collagen formation helps in healing the wound fast without leaving a scar. Aloe vera gel alone can cure your acne and prevent scars. You may not require any other ointment if you also take care of your diet, exercise and sleep. So once you have adopted a routine of proper eating, regular exercising and sleeping well, do the following daily. Wash your skin with mild antibacterial soap and water. Pat dry your facial skin with a towel. Cut a fresh leaf of aloe vera with a sharp knife and squeeze out the gel. Store the gel in an airtight jar in the refrigerator for future use. Apply the gel on the acne-ridden area. Let it dry and then leave it there. Repeat the above procedure 2 to 3 times a day. Bottom line is, aloe vera gel prevents acne scars and heals acne. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.